Dude, stop harassing me. I'm not changing car brands.
Kakarot, I'm only doing this because it will benefit you. There's always room for change. Can you not see my vision? Nissan was founded before Toyota. They are literally the pioneers in this case. The Prince of all Nissans is giving you a special offer that I do not give to normal peasants. I see great potential in you. Toyota is unreliable. They're weak. Leave behind Toyota once and for all. They don't do you any good. Nissan will welcome you.
Stop glazing me. Toyota is the most innovative new company ever. Even when yours started, mine was already developing the most peak car known to man. That being the 2011 Toyota 4x4.
Very well. We'll have to do this my way. You're done now!
Maybe Nissan isn't that bad after all, but it's a worthy rival. Not that I would ever change from my 4x4.